Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the realms of fame and infamy, delving deep into 18 career-altering scandals that shook the entertainment industry. From startling revelations to public meltdowns, these incidents reshaped the trajectories of careers, leaving a lasting impact. Stay tuned as we uncover the scandals that have left indelible marks on some of your favorite stars. Now let's embark on this journey. Winona Ryder, born on October 29, 1971 in Allstate County, Minnesota, rose to fame in the late 1980s with standout performances in films like Heathers, Beetlejuice, and Edward Scissorhands. Her career peaked with an Academy Award nomination for The Age of Innocence 1993. Despite a setback in 2001 with a shoplifting arrest in Beverly Hills tarnishing her image and causing a temporary decline, Ryder staged a comeback in the 2010s, particularly with her role in Stranger Things, reigniting her career. At 52, she remains a respected figure, showcasing resilience and talent in the entertainment industry. Lindsay Lohan, born on July 2nd, 1986 in New York City, is an American actress and singer, rising to fame in Disney's The Parent Trap 1998 and subsequent hits like Mean Girls 2004 and Freaky Friday 2003. Lohan's early success was marred by legal troubles, rehab stints, and substance abuse issues. Despite her talent, erratic behavior and legal problems lead to a decline in film opportunities. Attempts to revive her career through reality TV and sporadic acting faced challenges. At 37, Lindsay Lohan navigates a complex journey, balancing early success with public struggles, showcasing resilience amid a turbulent professional and personal landscape. Johnny Depp, born June 9, 1963 in Owensboro, Kentucky, rose to fame with 21 Jump Street 1987 to 1990 and became a versatile actor in iconic films like Edward Scissorhands 1990 and Pirates of Caribbean. His success faced turbulence due to a tumultuous marriage with Amber Heard, resulting in legal battles and domestic violence allegations. The high-profile fallout led to Depp's removal from the Fantastic Beasts franchise. Despite personal challenges, Depp now 60 navigates a complex chapter. His career, marked by acclaim, faces the impact of public scrutiny. A testament to resilience, Depp continues his journey, balancing the highs and lows of stardom. Woody Allen, born Alan Stewart Kingsburg on December 1st, 1935 in Brooklyn, New York, is an American filmmaker, actor, and comedian. His prolific career in the 1970s brought fame with iconic films like Annie Hall 1977 and Manhattan 1979, earning numerous accolades including Academy Awards. However, controversy arose in the early 90s when his adopted daughter Dylan Farrow accused him of sexual abuse. The Me Too era renewed scrutiny on Allen's past, impacting his career as actors distanced themselves. Now, in 2023, at 88, Woody Allen faces a complex legacy marked by artistic achievements overshadowed by the shadow of personal controversies. Megan Fox, born on May 16, 1986 in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, is an American actress and model. She gained widespread recognition for her role in Transformers 2007, solidifying her status in Hollywood. Despite early success marked by sex symbol status and leading roles in Jennifer's Body 2009, Fox faced setbacks, notably being removed from the third Transformers film in 2009 due to a public feud with director Michael Bay. Her outspoken nature led to occasional controversies. However, Fox continued her acting career with projects like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2014. At 36 years old in 2023, she navigates a career balancing mainstream success with the challenges of public perception. Shia LaBeouf, burning Shia LaBeouf on June 11, 1986 in Los Angeles, California, is an American actor, performance artist, and filmmaker. He rose to fame in the mid 2000s with his roles in the Disney Channel series Even Stevens and blockbuster films like Transformers 2007. LaBeouf's early career showcased his talent, earning critical acclaim for projects such as Dystopia 2007 and Holes 2003. However, LaBeouf faced personal and legal challenges that affected his public image. Instances of erratic behavior, arrest, and plagiarism accusations plagued May's him reputation. In 2020, he faced a lawsuit for alleged abusive behavior towards singer FKA Twigs, resulting in public scrutiny. Despite these controversies, LaBeouf has continued to pursue artistic endeavors, including collaborations with filmmakers like Alma Harrell. Currently, Shia LaBeouf is 36 years old, navigating a complex journey in the public eye. Kevin Spacey, born on July 26, 1959 in South Orange, New Jersey, is an acclaimed American actor and producer known for versatile performances. He earned 2 Academy Awards for roles in The Usual Suspects 1995 and American Beauty 1999. However, Spacey's career faced a severe setback in 2017 when multiple allegations of sexual misconduct emerged, leading to his removal from projects including House of Cards. The accusations triggered a public reckoning, significantly impacting his professional standing. Now, at 63 years old in 2023, Spacey grapples with the repercussions of the allegations, casting a shadow over his once illustrious career. Jennifer Aniston, born on February 11, 1969 in Sherman Oaks, California, is an American actress, producer, and businesswoman. She gained widespread recognition and fame for her portrayal of Rachel Green in the popular television sitcom Friends 1994 to 2004. Aniston's role on the show propelled her to stardom, earning her multiple awards and nominations throughout her career. Aniston has enjoyed success in both television and film, starring in hits like Merle and Me 2008, The Breakup 2006, and The Morning Show 2019 to present. Known for her comedic timing and versatility, Aniston has become one of Hollywood's most beloved actresses. However, the divorce of Jennifer Aniston and Brad Pitt gained intense media coverage, especially when Brad Pitt started a relationship with Angelina Jolie while filming Mr. and Mrs. Smith. The love triangle became a tube-light sensation. Currently, Jennifer Aniston is 54 years old and continues to be a prominent figure in the entertainment industry, admired for her talent, beauty, and contributions to film and television. Mel Gibson, born on January 3, 1956 in Peekskill, New York, is an American-Australian actor, director, and producer. He achieved international fame for his roles in action films like Mad Max 1979 and Lethal Weapon 1987. Gibson's directorial efforts, including Braveheart 1995 and The Passion of the Christ 2004, earned him critical acclaim and Academy Awards. While his career enjoyed success, Gibson faced significant controversies in the mid 2000s. His anti Semitic remarks during a 2006 DUI arrest and a series of offensive statements led to public backlash and negatively impacted his reputation. Despite these challenges, Gibson gradually returned to the industry with his 2016 film Hacksaw Ridge, receiving acclaim. Presently, Mel Gibson is 67 years old, showcasing resilience in navigating a career marked by both triumphs and controversies. Chris Brown, born Christopher Morris Brown on May 5, 1989 in Tappahannock, Virginia, is a multifaceted American artist, singer, songwriter, dancer, and actor. His breakthrough came with the 2005 self-titled debut album, highlighted by the hit single Run, showcasing his exceptional talent in R&B and dance. Despite musical success, Brown's journey is marred by legal troubles and personal controversies, notably a 2009 guilty plea for assaulting then girlfriend Rihanna, causing public outrage and lasting damage to his image. Navigating a complex career trajectory, Brown at 34 faces consequences from legal issues and probation violations, all while continuing to demonstrate undeniable musical prowess. Annie Hathaway, born on November 12, 1982 in Brooklyn, New York, is an American actress and singer. She gained widespread recognition with her breakthrough role in The Princess Diaries 2001 and solidified her status as a versatile performer with acclaimed performances in films like Les Miserables 2012, earning her an Academy Award. Hathaway's career has been characterized by a diverse range of roles, from comedy to drama, showcasing her talent and versatility. She has received critical acclaim for her work in films such as The Devil's Wear Parada 2006 and Raquel Getting Married 2008. Hathaway, along with James Franco, co-hosted the 83rd Academy Awards. The duo received mixed reviews, with some criticizing Hathaway's perceived over-enthusiastic performance, which lead to negative publicity for actress. Currently, Annie Hathaway is 41 years old and continues to be a respected figure in the entertainment industry, known for her talent, professionalism, and commitment to her. Sean Penn, born August 17, 1960 in Santa Monica, California, is an acclaimed American actor, director, and activist, renowned for powerful performances in Mystic River 2003 and Milk 2008. Earning him Academy Awards, Penn's career blends critical acclaim with occasional controversies. His dedication to challenging roles and social activism defines him as a respected figure. Despite criticism for controversial behavior and legal issues, Penn at 63 remains active in filmmaking and humanitarian efforts. Controversies notwithstanding, his enduring talent and commitment to social causes solidify his esteemed place in the film industry. Robert Downey Jr. Born on April 4, 1965 in New York City, Robert Downey Jr. is an American actor and producer. Early fame came with roles in Less Than Zero 1987 and Chaplin 1992, earning critical acclaim and an Academy Award nomination for the latter. Struggles with substance abuse lead to legal issues and rehab in the late 90s and early 2000s. Despite this, a remarkable comeback in the mid 2000s with hits like Iron Man 2008 solidified his status as a Hollywood A-lister. Presently 58, Downey Jr. successfully turned his career around, enjoying ongoing success on the big screen and in philanthropy. Thank you for joining us as we explored 18 career defining scandals. If you found this in depth look into the shadowy aspects of fame engaging, please remember to appreciate, share, and subscribe for additional captivating content. Share your thoughts in the comments about the scandal that surprised you the most. Until our next encounter, maintain your curiosity and ensure you stay subscribed.